I'll see. I already see this side. This one popped out this time. Like I said, it's a very common issue with these drives. So once you pop out the motor, this comes out. Then you place back the motor. Little 2 screws. And this next part is kind of important. I only found out about this recently, or the last 2 years, I would say, recently for me at least. When you're putting the drive back together, it's important to hold it kind of on an angle and put the left side on first and close it. If not, you might have an issue where it takes in the disc, it kind of spins but doesn't really attach into gear. And just to be sure when you're doing all of this that you kind of try to hold this down too at the same time so it doesn't pop out again. And when you're putting everything back together, put it back together like this, upside down. So put the top cover on, put the metal sheet or bottom first. Like that, it won't or shouldn't pop out again. Go like that, and then once you have the bottom on, you can turn it around and put the top back. So it's pretty much those little knobby thingies that come out and mess around with the internal gears.